process converts the input into output using resources. For example, our training. What is the process here? Training is a process. What is it converting? It is converting your existing knowledge on Six Sigma, and each of you will become an individual with added black belt body of knowledge. Right? And what are the resources now used? There are trainers, there are the IT platform, and then there are gadgets, there are materials, and all of them are the things. I mean, the inputs that goes on, or otherwise you can call them the resources. Process has got two kind of parameters. One is effectiveness, another one is efficiency. We already talked about it. Effectiveness is customer and government perceived features or realized gain. Some of you must, maybe some participant might come only for the certificate. Do you think giving the certificate is now quality? No. We need to know, it is our responsibility. Sometimes customers do not know what do they want. Am I correct in the statement?
Yes, sir.
Most of the time, customer themselves do not know what do they want in their products and services. Those are called unspoken requirements. When you want to call yourself as a black belt, then there are certain requirements you need to comply. Whether you speak or not, it is our responsibility to understand, right? So customer, and that's where government comes here. Government perceived or realized gain is called the effectiveness. If this is not happening, the ineffectiveness is termed as defect. More defects, poor quality. For example, how do we measure the effectiveness in our program? Stressless learning by the participant. I do not know to what extent it is happening. And we can understand the effectiveness through your feedback ratings. All of you give 10 out of 10. We can understand our level of effectiveness. And the test score, the projects completed by all of you within 1 year of completing the training program. And these are all measures of effectiveness. Hope all of you agree with me. All right?
Yeah.
And now comes the efficiency. What is efficiency? Use the just required resources to reach the effectiveness. 6 days is the training, and we complete the training program in 6 days. All the tools and techniques are taught. I use only the exact amount of resources required to produce the effectiveness. I don't overutilize and I don't underutilize. I complete the training program in just 3 days. How many of you will feel happy? So not overutilizing alone is a problem. Underutilizing is also a problem. You need to optimally utilize your resources, right? And that is what we call it efficiency. So inefficiency is termed as waste. If a better way of doing a work exists and you don't adopt it, what you are doing is a waste. We need to realize and recognize the presence of waste in most of our business process. If you think what you are doing is great in the entire world, then you will never understand the scope for improvement, right? So we need to think out of the box and then criticize everything. Criticize the resources, criticize your process, criticize each and every task you are doing inside the process. Then you realize, inefficiency exists everywhere. So more than just required resources engaged to reach the effectiveness of the process is called the efficiency of a process. For example, time taken to complete the training. I take more time or I take less time. Right now I am inefficient. RK will be able to identify because I'm supposed to finish by 1. I doubt whether I will do it or not. Anyway, if it will be covered up properly. And so cost of the training, you want the cost to be optimum or you are ready to pay more than a few lakhs? Cost needs to be optimum, right? These are all efficiency problem. If somebody is charging you heavily, then you need to understand they are not efficient, right? And number of faculty members, too many cooks sometimes may spoil the meals, right? These are all possible. Effectiveness cannot be compromised and efficiency has to be optimized. The statement sounds good. Effectiveness cannot be compromised and efficiency has to be optimized. Clear?
Clear. Perfect.
Right. So Six Sigma is a metric